Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a 4 stars Sudoku. In the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, November the 3rd, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle. 3 stars Sudoku. Well, turns out this is 0 stars. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so we have 3 puzzles left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you were interested, the 4 stars Sudoku number 7385. 7385. And yeah, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. All right. We have here 2 twos. 4 threes. All right. 3 fours. 3 fours. 1 5. 1 6. 1 7. 4 eights. All right. And 4 nines. So the ones, the threes, the eights, and the nines are a majority. Can I start with those numbers? That's the question. Okay, let me see. The ones. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first column. 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here, 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 1. Okay, number 3 then. 3, 3. Let me see. 3, 3. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3. Yeah. We have here 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here, 3 in this column. No 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in this column. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. Well, I cannot continue with the 3, so let me start with the 8 or continue with 8. 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the third column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8, 8, okay. 8. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. No. We have 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. You see an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Do we have all the 8s? No. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. And 8 in the first column, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Let me see. How about the 3 then? No. How about the 3 then? No. The 9. Let me continue with the 9. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, the only place left for 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. 9, 9. 9, 9. Well, will be difficult. The 9. Yeah. I cannot continue with the 9. How about these? 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this one. No 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6, 2. Need a 2. 2, 2. 2. 2, 2. How about the 3, 3, 3. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these two boxes. Here 4 in this column, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this row. Should be there. 7. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 4 and the 6 are missing. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. So we have a 4 here. Okay, how about the 3? 3, 3, no, 3, cannot. How about the 9? Need a 9 here, no. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, no. 9, 9, 9, 9. Well, I need a 9 here. Need a 9 here, okay. 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between the only place left for the 2 should be there. Need a 5 here. Need a 9 there. And I need 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6, 6. Need a 6 there, yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. We have 6 in the second row, so no 6 there. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those two boxes. In the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Need a 6 here. Okay, these 2 should be the 1, 2 is missing, and the 7 is missing. Well. How about the 3? Yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next on the last column. The only 2 places left on 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. How about the 8s? And all the 8s are used, I can see. Oh, yeah. We have already the 8. How about the 9 then? Nope, 7 and the 9. Okay. What the 2 then? 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 7, 9. 7, 9, and 4. Need a 4 here. 4. Need a 4 here. And I need a 4 there. That means in the last row, need a 4 here. Yeah. Well, no. 4 here, 4 here. Need a 4 there. Yeah. Here can be 4 because we have 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here can be 4 because we have 4 in this column, no 4 there. So the only 2 places left for the 4 could be here, could be there. The 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. Okay. Let me continue. Okay. 12 minutes already passed. We have a 9. Yeah, 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the third row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Let me see. 7, 5, and need a 4. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Can I count? And for the 9s, and all the 9s, no. 7 and 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. Now I can count. And all the 9s are used, I can see. This is number 4, number 9. 7 and a 5. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. He's missing 6 and 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 7 goes there. 1 digit left in the last column, I believe the 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and 7 is missing. 6 and 7. Let me mark those. 1 box left in the first row for number, I believe the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Need a 7 here. Here we have a 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 7, 6, and need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. 4 there. 2 and the 7. Come on. 7. 2. 2, 2. How about here? Need a 5 here. 5, 5. No 5 here. 5, 5. 5. 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so it'll come next. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the rest. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 and 6, we have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 6. We have a 6 in the first column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in the last row. For number the 1, the 2 is missing, and the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.